bedding can be a pet paradise for our fur baby, a place for them to rest, relax, and recharge. But this bedding can also turn into a stinky pit of odors. That's because over time, the soft surfaces of pet bedding can be exposed to urine, drool, hair, and other substances, contributing to a bad odor. In this video, I'll show you how to remove those odors from pet bedding with OdoBan. Hey, I'm Val. Welcome back to the OdoBan channel, where we share cleaning tips to help you make life fresh. Before we get started, here are a couple of quick safety reminders. Never mix OdoBan with any cleaning products or chemicals. Always use OdoBan as directed on the label. Don't measure OdoBan with measuring cups used for food and drink. And after treating a surface with OdoBan, allow those surfaces to completely dry before allowing your pets back in the area. Okay, so first I'll show you how to get rid of those odors on pet bedding without washing. Before treating the pet bedding, you'll first need to mix OdoBan concentrate to make a pet odor eliminating spray solution. Alternatively, you can use an OdoBan ready-to-use spray. These sprays are already mixed and ready for use. To make an OdoBan pet bedding deodorizer solution, you'll need to mix 1 part of OdoBan concentrate to 3 parts water as directed on the label. For a standard 32-ounce bottle, you'll add 8 ounces or 1 cup of OdoBan concentrate to a clean spray bottle before filling the rest of the way with plain tap water. Be sure to immediately label your bottle. Safety first. With your OdoBan solution ready, let's deodorize the pet bedding. Here's how. Step 1. Start by carefully vacuuming the pet bed to remove loose hair and dust particles. Check your vacuum cleaner attachments for pieces specifically made for hard-to-reach areas and for removing pet fur. Step 2. Apply a light spray onto fabric surfaces of the bedding evenly. Make sure to spray any areas where odors persist. Step 3. Allow treated surfaces to completely dry before allowing your pets back in the area. Repeat this process as necessary until the odor is completely gone. Now, if that pet bedding is very stinky and is also machine washable, you may want to wash the bedding to get the odors out. Fortunately, OdoBan is ideal for laundry odors. When added to the laundry rinse cycle, OdoBan controls laundry malodors, softens and eliminates static cling without damaging fibers. Here's how to remove pet odors from pet bedding and blankets using OdoBan in the laundry. Step 1. Wash the bedding as usual in your washing machine using your regular laundry detergent. Step 2. During the final rinse cycle, add 8 ounces or 1 cup of OdoBan concentrate to freshen clothing and eliminate odors on fabrics. If your washing machine has fabric softener compartment, you can add OdoBan concentrate there before starting the load. If this compartment will not hold 8 ounces, use 4 ounces, or as much as your compartment will hold. And step 3. Dry the bedding immediately after washing, either by air drying or using a dryer. For stronger odors, you may need to repeat this process until the smell is completely gone. Following these steps will help keep your pet's bed fresh and odor-free. If you have any questions, be sure to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and make life fresh.
Before you go, here are a few more helpful videos you should definitely check out. And if you like this video and want more of the best fun, free cleaning tips and how-tos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and then click the little bell icon so you'll always know whenever we post a new video.